In this video, I will show you how to link your EA and Steam accounts. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to ea.com. Now, if you're currently signed into your account, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, press onto your profile icon and sign out. So once that's done, it's going to refresh the page, and what you're now going to want to do is come back up to the top right hand corner, press onto your profile icon and then press on to sign in. Now, what you're going to want to do at this stage is actually sign in. If you look at the top, you've got some different icons to sign into your EA account. So what you can do from here is actually press onto the Steam icon. And what's going to happen, it's going to come up with a pop-up window saying to sign into your Electronic Arts account using your Steam account. So what you're going to want to do, if you're not signed in to Steam, then it's going to ask you to sign in. As you can see, I've been detected here, so I'm just going to go ahead and press sign in. Then on the permission box, just go ahead and press allow. And what's going to happen, they're going to send a code to your email address. So what you want to do now is just go ahead and check your email to get the code. So here we are, I've got the code. So what I'm going to do is put the code in and press sign in underneath. And what will happen after you've signed in is you're going to get a box pop up saying about linking your Steam account to your EA account. So you just want to go ahead and confirm that box. Now, I've already got mine linked, so what you can do to double check to make sure your accounts are linked is if you come up to the top right hand corner and press onto your profile icon, and you want to click onto the box to go to your account settings. From here, what you're going to want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side, and if you come down and press onto connections at the very bottom, this is where you can see all your linked accounts. So as you can see, my Steam account is linked down here. We've got a tick saying which account is linked. And if you do want to unlink your Steam account at any point, you can just come here and press the unlink button. So that is how to go ahead and link your Steam and EA accounts. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.